Good morning and Assalamualaikum friends. We're back with another cooking vlog. So right now in our country it's afternoon and we're making mutton biryani. We like to cook biryani because in my family I like biryani the most. So we are cooking it today and we today put some dried mint on top of it to do a change. So we love potatoes in biryani because why not to put potatoes. I don't know why some people don't like potatoes in their biryani, but I like it very much. Even my family loves it. So we always put it. There's no biryani cooked in our house without potatoes. So, and we have put this recipe in our channel before. So if you want to check it, you can check it after this video. I'm not telling you the recipe in this video. I'm just sharing some of the clips of how we cooked our biryani right now and some clips of today's afternoon. We made this biryani with only homemade spices, which are jaifil, javitri and badiyan, and regular home spices such as red chilli powder, turmeric, coriander, chili flakes too. We also used some yellow color and topped it with dried mint. This is the final look of our yummy, tasty homemade biryani. Friends, still I'm enjoying my biryani with lassi and salad. You go and check in your kitchen what is being made today. Okay friends, Allah Hafiz. If you want to see the full video of a biryani recipe, you can go and check in our previous videos. Hope you enjoyed it. Then subscribe, like and share. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Take care of yourselves.